Hello guys, hola a todos. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Ok? Eu tenho o número 8 a 13. 12 euros e são. Ok? Outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket. It's a matching number game. And Chuku 1 or game 1. Game 2 and game 3. And if we uncover 13 symbol, we win 20 euro automatically. I'm gonna use my friend, countrywoman, Eternity Luck Scratcher. Okay, so we're looking for 12, 32, 35, 14, 23, no. Looking for 15, 40, 29, 18, 11, no. 42, 24, backwards, 21, 38, 28, no. Ticket number 8. Okay, I'm gonna use Eternity all the way today. We're looking for 12 again. I want to see this 13, 40, 29, 19, 22, ay Jesus, 26, 28, 30, 11, 23, we're looking for 17, 38, 32, 27, and 18. Nada na manga. Okay, so 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're looking for 31 or 31, obviously. Backwards. 34, 32, 39, 28. Looking for 20. Jesus, Santa Casa. What's going on here? 11, 42. Looking for 24. 37, 35, 41, 19. Oh, meu Diyos, Santa Casa. 10, 11. These cheap tickets. We're looking for 37, 39, 16, 40, 42. Looking for 35, 31. I found 35. 29, 28. Here we're looking for 24, 18, 17, 28. What X? X for euro. Coffee money again. Coffee money again. Okay, ticket number 11 is a winner. After 3 tickets, I found a win. Coffee money, of course. The odds of winning are 1 in 3.93. That's why they give me 1 win. 1 coffee money win. 35. Okay, we have 2 more tickets. Ticket number 11. Okay, we are looking for 35 again. I want to see this 13. 23, 11, 17, 28. We're looking for 15, 22, 34, 14. Back to back. 11 and 12 back to back. There's a miracle. Miracle. We're looking for 30, 22, 33, 40, 30. Woohoo! But what's the price? I found 2 prices. Of course, coffee money. 32, 15, 2. Nada mal or nada mal? 40. 48 euro so far. So I got 8 euro out of 12, guys. We call it nice. Okay, nice, Casa. Very nice. muito bem, Santa Casa. Okay, let's hope back to back to back to back. Okay, we're looking for 42, 27, 14, 29. Ahay! Back to back to back to back, guys. 3 in a row. 3 winning tickets in a row. Ay, Jesus. Sometimes I back to back coffee money. So that 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 3 in a row. 3 winning tickets in a row. Okay. Nice. We're looking for 30, 29, 30. Hi. Jesus, the camera. Nice. 30. I found 30, guys. 12, 15. Okay, so I found 2 wins. So at least money back in the session, guys. Okay. Nice. We're looking for 22, 28, 21, 11, 25. Jesus, in the casa. Back to back to back. 3 winning tickets in a row. This is 42 to euro. 30 to euro. 4. There's no win in this line. Okay. So I got all my money, guys, in this session. I got all my money. Okay. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos.